combination principle here, and of course we understand that nowadays with the simple Bohr theory. But more than that, what this actually led Heisenberg to was the fact that you've got non-commutativity behind here, and immediately you get the Heisenberg equation of motion. So this was all in the 1925s. And there's nowhere is Schrödinger in this picture at all yet. Okay. So then notice that we've written this, this Q, what was the position, as a matrix as a complex matrix. And we think of this as a phase angle.